Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Hey, how are you doing today? This is something we have made here locally in Orange by one of our Mantiques Network partners, and it's really cool. We put up a couple of them, I believe it was mobile, and sold them right away. So we are going to start offering just different brands of these metal heavy gauged bathroom signs. And the way that he's done them here, which he does all his stuff really cool, is it looks very much porcelain, and this is the exact sign that you would have seen back in the day. So if you want something cool for your collection, especially if you've got gas and oil, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the